Yo, what up, world? So I ended up getting this bumper off. It was kind of easy, kind of hard. Only thing that was hard about it is the fact that I didn't exactly know how to do it. So on this 2013, there's only one bolt here. There's not three bolts, three 10 millimeters. There's only one 10 millimeter here. The rest of those little T25s come out. I guess the trick or the caveat here is that there's some little bolts right here that have to come out. And if they don't, they you can't get the grill off. So really, I didn't need to take the bottom cover off underneath the car, the engine cover. I didn't need to take it off, but hey, I'll go ahead and change the oil anyway from the bottom, so it's not a big deal. But I did that. So I've gotten the 6 bolts loose to help me get the car into service position. So I've gotten those 6 bolts loose on each side, 2 here, and then 1 above. So I got those loose. I'm going to stop here tonight because I need to go get some longer bolts. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Oh, I did want to show you the Supercharger belt. This is the belt. The belt is split in half. It was still somewhat intact, but it was split in half. And I will let you hear. I see that the Supercharger is not stuck. Let me see if I can turn some light on. Alright, Supercharger is not stuck. It's not locked up like I thought it could have been. This pulley down here, this is a Supercharger tensioner. It does not sound too good. It's kind of making you can hear the rolling elements rolling around. The idler is good, but the tensioner pulley, no good. So I suspect that's the cause of my failure. It's costing me a little bit of time, a little bit of grief, but thankfully I was able to successfully remove this bumper myself, get it off the car. Everything else is pretty straightforward. Had to disconnect the parking sensors. This car does not have the night vision and all of the extra crap. So that's pretty much it.